Dear student, welcome you in Physics Lecture 2nd. Myself Ajay, and we are going to study about the use of physics. Let's start. Use of physics. Some important use of physics are following. As you see, development of devices using law of physics. That means by the law of physics, we have already manufactured and developed many devices. For example, a rocket. This device is based on the Newton's third law of motion, third law, action reaction law. And the second, it can explain the natural phenomena by a simple logical theory. We can easily explain many natural phenomena such as the temperature flow from the high temperature to low temperature. Okay, this can be easily explained by the thermodynamics. And your next use of physics, experiment and observations are used to develop new theories and improve old theories. By this, that means we can easily develop many other theories by the help of our old theories of physics. Okay, and further we can improve our theories. I hope you understand to this. Your next topic is scope of physics. Physics is broadly divided into two types based on its scope. Physics in that time divided in two: classical physics and modern physics. In classical physics, we will study about classical physics. It deals macroscopic phenomena like mechanics, optics, and thermodynamics. That means we study in classical physics the mechanics, optics, and thermodynamics, etc. In the modern physics deals the microscopic phenomena like the molecular, quantum mechanics, nuclear studies, etc. Now, what is mechanics? Mechanics, it is based on Newton's law of motion and law of gravitation. It is concerned with motion, equilibrium of particles. That is, in this topic we will study about the theorems which is based on the Newton's law of motion. Okay, and this is concerned with motion or equilibrium of particles. Their examples: water or sound wave, etc. And now this is your homework. Write the 5 other uses of physics. And second, learn and write the definition of the following: science, natural science, physics, classical physics, and modern physics. I hope you understand to this. Thanks for watching.